are prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lion. I've been feeling down.
Hello, welcome back to WINFX Trading YouTube channel. This is the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. A lot of people are still, they are very far away from making it in the forex market simply because they have not gotten to the right education or right sources of education in the forex market. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, try your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content, and try to like, comment and refer your network so that YouTube pushes to a high level of audience. A lot of people are still losing money on daily basis, and it's become a big problem. But for me, I don't see it as setback. I'm here as WINFX Trading to solve problem. I solve problem in the financial industry. When you subscribe to my channel, you will gain a lot of things, both now and in future. I'm on screen record level. I have not gone to camera level, but what I teach on the screen record level is going to be materialistic and more powerful to help you succeed in the financial industry. Then if I go on to camera level, where I will appear live and you will see me, then what I teach you at record level, at screen record level, will become practical. Like, it will become more understandable, and like, you need to start somewhere. Make sure you keep subscribing and learning, and join VIP signal group. While you learn and you make money, it makes more sense than while you learn and you are not making money. So you learn, join VIP and trade our done for you signal services, and then you can be able to buy our courses. And when the time comes, when we go advanced, like trying to decode all the theory and put it into a high level application in the financial industry, you won't be left aside. Well, at this level, you need to join VIP, because what you are learning at screen record level, it might be sounding funny, like, okay, what is this guy saying? Instead of you saying, okay, what am I saying? Why not join VIP, where we use ultra modern strategies in the forex market to produce signals. Okay, so today we talk about opening and closing price, about a structural problem in forex market. Now, this is a very big problem. This is a very big problem in the financial industry, and a lot of people have lost money because of, you see, the opening and closing price is a core variable in the price actions trading strategy. It's a variable. The opening price, the closing price, they are variable that affect your entry and exit. Okay, it determines whether you are going to succeed in a particular trade or not. Because if you didn't understand where the candle open and where it closes, you are likely not going to make it in forex market. And this become more important, like more useful in higher time frame. Okay, especially hedge fund and beyond. Now let me show you what I'm trying to bring out. First of all, we need to define a structure. Because this structure is very, very important. Remember the topic: opening and closing price, about structure problem in forex market. So you need to understand this. This is, look at here, this is a structure. A structure is an area, especially a rectangular area, bounded by wicks and dodgy candles, like candles with small bodies that shows indecision, compressions, consolidation, accumulation, or distribution. There is no significant trend in that zone. Okay, now the fact that a candle open, look at the candle close above this zone. See this candle close above this zone. So for the fact that this candle close above this zone, you shouldn't take it for granted. I mean the body, not the wicks. Once a body remain above a zone and the candle now close above the zone, this is the closing price. It shows that there is high probability that the price will keep going up. And what happened? Check well. What happened? It keep pushing. It uses the zone now as a support level, and it keep pushing. If we check very well, we catch over 192 pips. And if you also look well, putting your stop loss below this zone will give you high probability of making profit. We are not talking about risk reward ratio here, because risk reward ratio should be greater than 2 or equal to 2 for it to be practical. But using the theory of the opening or closing price issues, once you place your stop loss below the zone of no trade, because I call it zone of no trade because you can't play, you are not, you are, is a zone where there is no specific trading activity, and so you believe that price action cannot react like outside that zone, like depending on your polarity. If you are buying, price action cannot react below the zone. If you are selling, price action cannot react above the zone. And so you see, if you place your stop loss here, maybe you want to risk all your equity. It is assumed that you want to risk all your equity, but there is no way that equity will be lost, because it cannot saturate the other side of the zone. Okay, there's no way to liquidate the other side of the zone. And what happened? This market went up. Okay, you see, let me show you about the closing price. Let's see if we can get a closing price. Opening price. Let's see if we can get an opening price. Yeah, we have talked about closing price. Okay. Let's see. First of all, we need to define a structure. We need to define, this is a structure. A structure is a zone, like I have said it again, is a zone, where there is no specific price action, that where a lot of consolidation, indecision, wicks and small candles appear in such zone. So we call it structure, and they are mostly swing. Okay, you see, for the fact that this candle open below here, see, this is a bearish candle, it opened below this zone, and this is for this candle open below this zone. Now it opened below this zone and closed below this zone. What it shows you that the price will push down for a long time. It's going to push down, and what happened? It keep pushing down. Check well. It keep pushing down. It's not easy to actually enter in such type of trading. That's why you should join our VIP. I don't like to talk too much, long talking. Join VIP. We work hard tirelessly, all 247. We work hard to produce signal. We never sleep. We work hard to produce signal, and that's what gives us joy, seeing our clients make money in real time. Okay, yes, we actually are proud of what we are doing. Okay, change your life today. Join VIP, start making money in real time as we make money. Copy and paste our trade in real time and be rich. Bye for now.
If you're prepared to